Has anyone wrongfully assumed you were dumb and in the process made themselves look really dumb? I film and edit promotional videos, then post them on my company's YouTube channel. The day after I uploaded a particular run-of-the-mill video, my manager called me into his office because one of our douchebag directors, who hates our department and loves undermining me in particular, sent an email to my manager and a few higher-ups. In the email, he stated that I had messed up the promo video because there were all of these other disgusting videos attached to it. As proof, he included a screenshot of the end of the video, where all of the recommended videos appeared to star scantily clad Asian women in suggestive poses. Neither he nor my manager knew how YouTube algorithms worked, and that the videos were suggested because he, or someone on his account, viewed that kind of content before. I have no idea how my manager explained this to him.